Let's make Tortang Talong for the first time while talking about penis sizes. Hi everyone, that is Cecilia, pleasure educator, advocate, and consultant. I'm super excited because I'm going to be making Tortang Talong for the first time. It's a Filipino dish that uses Chinese eggplant, egg, salt, and pepper. It's like so easy to make, and I can't believe I've never made it. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm nervous. We're going to do this. You essentially start kind of cooking this over the flame. Tongs are always a good idea. I grew up in a time where there was a song, a very popular song on the radio called Short Short Man. No, don't want no short man. It was a bop and also super shamey and really led us to believe that like longer, bigger is better. And that's certainly not the case. You really do want to get this nice and charred. It does take a while. And also I think I'm being super careful. Okay, I think that is done. We're going to let it cool for a bit, and then we'll be back. All right, so this is the next part. I'll use a fork to kind of help me out here. Start peeling off the skin. So yeah, so the thing that I feel like gets left out of all of those conversations about penis size is the acknowledgement of the fact that there are actually a variety of different types of penises. Different sizes, different girths. I feel like I didn't cook this long enough over the thing. It's okay, this is learning. I'm not a cooking show. I'm a sex educator, for God's sakes. The parts that are burnt definitely come off a lot easier than the other parts. Okay, I compost this part. And then we're going to flatten this out. Another part of penis pleasure that often gets left out are the testicles. We're going to use eggs as part of the Tortang Talong. Some pepper, tiny bit of salt. Testicles deserve pleasure too. There is very sensitive skin that surrounds the scrotum that make up the testicles that react to temperature and movement. So now we take the eggplant. You sort of bathe it in the egg bath. One egg was probably more than enough. Also, a quick reminder that not all folks with penises are men, and not all men have penises, because trans people do in fact exist and have existed as long as humans have existed. And in fact, transness also exists generally in nature. Now, Filipinos will generally be using banana ketchup, but regular ketchup is also totally fine. Don't at me about the fact that banana ketchup is currently unavailable in a lot of places in the US because of the red dye. We're doing this for science, so here we are. I mean, this isn't bad for my first time doing this. Would definitely put it over the fire a little bit longer, but let's give it a taste. Still very hot. Good job. Good job, Cecilia. Now, usually I would want to have this over rice as well, but it's pretty good. Good job, me. So, remember, there's no shame in whatever body you have. Whatever body you have is the body you have, and there should be nobody making you feel bad about the size, the shape, the girth of your body. The most important piece to this is that it's important to know your own body, to explore your body freely without any shame or pressure or any sort of belief that like what you're doing in exploring your body is bad. It's so important to know what feels good for you and your body. And sometimes that means touching yourself. So go ahead and enjoy your body however your body is.